Good evening. Welcome to NDTV Profit. It's been a very busy week, and at the end to this week was a slightly sour one. The world's largest IT services management consulting and outsourcing company, French giant Capgemini, says it is looking to acquire small-size Indian companies in a bid to add more service offerings. In an exclusive interview to NDTV, Global CEO Paul Hermelin says the macroeconomic environment continues to remain volatile, but nonetheless, he remains bullish on hiring in India.
We don't look at acquisition just to gain volume and market share. It's more, we constantly look at the Indian market in terms of could we acquire something if they bring us skills that we don't have to accelerate a new policy, a new strategy. So I had discussion these last days about what I call the Indian gazelle. I mean, are they interesting company that if they join the group, we could give them a big scale-up impact in terms of access to a global customer base, and they would enrich us. So you understand, you will not see big things. We are not on the hunt trying to chase big elephants. It's more 30,000 people. We would welcome small things that would add new arrows to our shiver so that we just add more skills. So constantly looking at the market.
So you are on the hunt for smaller Indian companies?
Small, innovative Indian companies.
Also, another nationalist question is in terms of the ramping up of headcount. You're one of the largest European MNCs who've invested in the India outsourcing story. Take us through your plans in ramping up your headcount in India going forward.
The first point is, if you look at the overall group, we grow now in the second half, but a few points. But I would say that modest growth is a growth in the group. It's a story of two different sides of the group. Our Indian operation will have grown more than 30% last year. 30%, that puts us, I would say, in the top 3 in India. I would think so. It's 30,000, so we are a dwarf compared to some Indian giants, but if we grow faster, one day we'll catch up, and I think we will. So where will that lead us? I already told that I really see when India will be half of the group in terms of headcounts.
Time for a short break now. When we come back, we bring you news from overseas.